seeing your email on Rockstar Social Club is very easy to do. Today I am going to show you how to do it. So first, what you need to do is to open any browser in your system and search Rockstar Social Club. Click on this link, Rockstar Games Social Club. This page will open. There are two options, sign in and sign up. If you don't have an account, then click on sign up and create your account. I already have an account, so I will click sign in. Enter your email and password. Tick this option if you want to stay signed in. Then click on sign in. Verify that you are a real person by solving the puzzle. This is my account. You can see here socialclub.rockstargames.com. There are two ways to see your email on Rockstar Social Club. First one is to click on profile icon on the top right corner. Then click settings. This is your email. Second method to see email is to click on profile icon on the top right corner. Then click view profile. You can see edit option on right hand side. Click on it. Then click bio. And now you can see your email. You can also edit your email from here by entering password. Then click submit change request. This is how you can see your email on Rockstar Social Club.